Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be doing a day in the life as a famous baker. So today I was going to the bakery because I need to prepare because tomorrow the bakery is opening, and then the day after tomorrow I have a concert that I need to get to. And I'm just gonna kind of give you an overview of what I started, like what I need to finish, and all that stuff. So we're gonna take our business upstairs as I show you. Oh my gosh. Okay. I accidentally pressed it. So yeah. As you see, I took some pictures here because I promised my fans that I would give out pictures from the stage, right? Without pictures. But I don't know anything that I could use to actually use, there's nothing big enough to fit the pictures in to use to throw out. I already checked this, they don't fit in that. So I don't really know. Wait, actually, when I went to the store, I went to grocery shopping, I have a potatoes, and it came in this giant sack. Let me see if, I left it at the bakery though, so we can go to the bakery. But let me see if the pictures fit inside of the potato sack. It's gonna look a little weird throwing pictures of me out of a potato sack. But you know, it's what's convenient, not what's stylish, you know? So let's go back to the bakery. And there's just gonna be lots of prepping that I need to do. It's gonna be very busy, so we gotta get to it. And I'm very excited that I have cool, it's just weird knowing that I have it. So where is it? It's gonna be right there. You see that? Right here. And I also did some grocery shopping too. So let's bring this home, put the potatoes away, put the groceries away, and let's see. I really hope it does fit, because if it does not, yeah, that's gonna be a problemo. Okay. I'm gonna have to have a bunch of people carrying them. Let's see. It's gonna be a little. I should have went to the kitchen for this. Okay, let's take the potatoes out. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? Oh my gosh, what did I just do? Okay, I'm praying. Okay, yep. This plan backfired. I just don't really. Yeah. So we're just gonna leave the potatoes right here. Sometimes you get hungry and you just want to eat some potatoes. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Guess we're just gonna be carrying them. Or I have an idea. Yes. Okay. This is gonna work. But I have to bring every single one. I'm gonna bring in my friend. This is Chad, and he's gonna help me carry this stuff. Cause yeah, we need a lot more. Okay. I don't know. Okay, just ignore what I'm doing. I'm just gonna kind of talk to you while I get everybody. Just ignore everything. It's gonna be very busy doing everything. This is my first actual concert. I don't really know what's gonna happen. I don't would expect. But they said if you do other kind of their tradition thing, they keep every person's picture up. But anyways, now that everybody's carrying something, this is my crew. Shout out to them. They're so nice. Okay, now we gotta go. Just to prevent this from happening at the stage, and hopefully it works out. Okay, let's go to the post office, which is gonna be over here, right? So I think maybe some of you who do play Boca are gonna be kind of thinking of what I'm gonna do right now. If it doesn't work, I don't know. It really works. So I'm just gonna box up everything. And yeah, I'm gonna unbox everything there at the stage. And say, oh, I have some gifts for you guys. So let's do this. It's gonna take a while. But while I'm here, I need to pick up some stuff from my mailbox. 10 hours later. Okay. Now that we have everything. Oh my gosh, no. Thank you guys so much for your guys' help. Bye. 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 Okay. Now that they're all gone, it's time. I just want to look for some stuff. See if there's anything good. Come here, little pig. Aww. I really want to keep him. I'm going to keep him. We need a bed for this little guy. That's really good. Yeah, you're coming home with me. Okay, you're coming home with me. Yep, okay. Okay, now I have an animal and everything's solved. I think this is a pretty successful day, if you ask me. Okay. Let's go back to the house and prepare everything. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, now we're here. That was a lot of work, and my room looks a disaster. I'm just speechless. This is crazy. I don't know. Okay, well, we're just gonna ignore that, and we'll clean that up later. Okay. Here you are, baby. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, let's find a place for you to put him. Okay. Right here. I think that's a good place. And I'm gonna go to the store and pick up a little bed for you and some food. I think he's so cute. Okay. I don't know if I can trust him. We'll trust you. I'm gonna trust you, little guy. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna grab this. And we're just gonna pull it over here. And we're gonna go downstairs and leave it there so we can be ready for not tomorrow but the next day of the concert. Okay. Now we're here. I think I'm gonna leave them right there. And let's go to the store to get his stuff for the little baby pig. Oh my gosh. I never imagined myself having a baby pig. I just never have. Okay, we're getting a little bed. Very cutesies. Demure. Okay. Right here. I don't know what to get him. I think I'm gonna get him this bed. And I might give him a little basket with some stuff. Do that. You can do them here. This is good for scratchies. Yes. And I don't know. I think I heard that they eat dog food, so we're just gonna take that. Oh my gosh. I think we're all set to go home. So we need to go back to okay. Great. Whew. Okay, that was something. At least we have everything that he needs. Hi, baby. Okay, we're gonna put some of his stuff up here. And this is his little bed. Aw, he loves it. Thank you guys for joining me. Come back in part 2 to see me for the opening of the bakery and the concert. It's just gonna be like right under it. It's not, you don't have to go through all the videos. This is literally like my first video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Love you. Bye.